Are you getting a time-sensitive message fail to send error on your iPhone? It means your iPhone could not send a time-sensitive message to the recipient. If you have this error on your iPhone, here are some quick and advanced steps you can take to try to resolve the issue. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're not connected to the internet, you won't be able to send any messages. To resolve your internet issues, you can enable airplane mode or you can switch your mobile data. Solution 2. Offload the message app. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap Show All, tap Message, tap Turn Sync this iPhone. Solution 3. Turn off the VPN. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap VPN and Device Management, turn off VPN. Solution 4. Try sending the message again. If the above steps don't work, try sending the message again later. If the message is time sensitive, make sure to send it well before the expiration due to ensure that it gets to the recipient on time. If you continue to experience the issue, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.